Hare Krishna, a hearty welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhavan Sundari Radha Devidasi with a winter special recipe. Over years, in many our houses, we have been making varieties of dishes specially for winter. We store various foodstuff to consume throughout this season to keep us warm and nourished. Today we are going to make winter special laddus. These laddus are very healthy and easy to make. Laddus are also liked by everyone, including kids too. Moreover, these are made up of easily available ingredients and keep us immunized throughout the winters. So let's begin. First, I have taken 100 gram of edible gum or gond. This is truly very good to consume in winters. These are available in crystals. Here I have powdered this edible gum. Next, take a kadai. Into this heat 200 gram of ghee. Let it melt. The ghee has melted. Now add 1 cup of wheat flour and half cup of besan or gram flour. Mix both this well. We will be roasting these flours until they turn light brown in color and keep the flames low. Mix it well. Stir continuously to avoid burning. We might feel the ghee is less, but as the flour gets cooked, it will release the ghee. Previously, I had shared the Adadhiya Pak's recipe and I have mentioned its link in the description box below along with the winter special recipes playlist link too. The flours are roasting and these are turning golden in color. It has been 10 to 12 minutes and you can observe the flour have roasted and get a light brown color. Now add 1/4 cup of chopped almonds, 1/4 cup chopped walnuts and 1/4 cup chopped cashews. Mix all this well and evenly. Make sure to continue cooking on low flame only. The nuts will also get roasted in this, so we are not going to roast anything separately. And here I have taken chopped nuts, but if you want, you can powder them and add. After 2 minutes, the nuts have turned crispy and have roasted well. Now add half of the edible gum powder. Mix it. You can see it has started swelling. I have listed down all the ingredients below in the description box. You can refer it. Now add the remaining half of this also. Mix it well till it roasts well. It will take around 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can see all of it have mixed and roasted well. The crunch of this edible gum and nuts is irresistible. Now add 3/4 cup of ground dry coconut. Now mix it well. Here I have used ground coconut. You can grate also. Our laddu mixture is ready. Turn off the flame and transfer it into a mixing plate. I have transferred it. If we keep in the same kadai, its color darken more. Now we will make jaggery syrup. For this, heat 2 teaspoons of ghee in a kadai and add 1.5 cup of chopped jaggery. Now mix and let it melt. We just have to melt the jaggery. We do not require any strings. Keep the flames low. Here you can see the jaggery is melting. There must be no lumps remaining. And that is why we are taking chopped jaggery. Here you can see the jaggery has melted. Into this add half teaspoon of cardamom powder and 2 teaspoon of ginger powder. Mix it well. So with this our jaggery syrup is ready. Turn off the flame now. Immediately transfer the jaggery syrup into the mixture that we have prepared. This mixture is hot. Let's mix it with the spatula. Here we are going to make laddus. If you want, you can set this in a greased plate. Cut them and make pieces. As we want laddus, let this cool for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes our mixture have cooled. Let's mix it again with hands and make laddus. You can give them the desired size. Similarly, make all the laddus. Our winter special laddus are ready. You can store them for 20 days. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer it to Lord Jagannath. Our winter special laddus are offered and ready. If you like bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any bhoga recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be happy.